Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It is Kaylee. For this video, I have done this look that I'm currently wearing. If you want to see how I do it, then just keep watching. I decided to recreate a makeup look that I found on Pinterest, which I will insert the picture in here. And honestly, I'm not the best when it comes to makeup. I'm not a professional, and I was kind of nervous that I wasn't going to be able to recreate it the way that I want to. It is not as dark, but I'm still super happy with how it turned out, and I hope that y'all like it. It was so simple, and I did the whole thing using just this palette, the NYX Ultimate, I can't talk, I'm sorry, Ultimate in Bright, and I got it at Walmart. It was like 10 bucks, 11 maybe. Whole thing using this, and then I used this Sephora right here that my cousin actually gave me, and it is just in the color Peach Beige. It's a real pretty shimmery white that I just kind of used to highlight my brows, which you'll see in the video. And yeah, that is all that I used for this eyeshadow look. So it was super easy, super inexpensive. Yeah, it really helps you get down with that blending. Oh, and for my mascara, I use, as always in every single video, I use the L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise in the color black, because I heard before that it was the dupe to the Better Than Sex by, I cannot think of the name of the actual brand right now, but it is a dupe to that mascara, and it is really good, and it is literally half the price because that stuff is like $25. And I used to buy it, it's too expensive, and I started getting this. So if you want a dupe for that mascara, if you use it, I highly recommend this one. Alright, and if you like this video, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. I will be making a new video every Wednesday, Saturday, and Sunday, which I know that I missed yesterday, and I apologize for that. But I'm trying. That's all I got. I'm trying. But yeah, I guess I will see y'all sometime this week. If I make an extra video throughout the week, I will be updating that to any of my social medias, which the links are posted below, so be sure to follow those to stay in the loop, and you might as well hit that notification bell while you're at it to stay included. But alright, I will see y'all next time. Bye guys!